Hi, today's question is for the following Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, which of the statements are correct? Here, benzene has been reacted with N-propyl chloride, right, in presence of AlCl3 and alkyl benzene expected to be produced. That is okay. But what will happen? Here is a temperature has a very important factor here. One thing. Second, the stability of this ion. When Cl minus will be removed, there will be plus, right? This can exist, so does it can exist as this, and it will be more stable. This intermediate, okay, this shifting of this intermediate as positive, right? That is more stable than this N-propyl system. Isopropyl this is. So the major product in this system will be our isopropyl compound. Okay, but there will be also synthesis of some amount of N-propyl. Apart from that, di tri polysubstituted di-tri-polysubstituted isopropyl benzene will also be there in this reaction. Because temperature, if it is low, still it will produce this and this, and if it is high, medium to high means I am talking about RT to 40 degree or more than that, then multiple product will be forming. So we have to see which statements are correct here. The major product is N-propyl benzene. No, this is not correct. Isopropyl carbocation intermediate is also generated. It will be generating. Multiple substitution is inevitable. That is true. Introducing electron donating substituent on benzene will not produce any alkyl benzene. That is not correct. B and C is correct. So the correct option is number 2. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe and comment below.